Alright, well, I was taking down this tree and it pinched up the saw sitting on the blade and I can't get it out. So I'm going to be doing this the old-fashioned way with an axe. That was fun. Fuck off. As you can see, the tree had termites in it. It's dead. Sorry. Yeah, that's really bad. That's really dead on the inside. I only fucked up this. Well, glad I took it down. I have to take care of my saw a bit. We'll see how it goes. So here you can see me chopping up the tree, delimbing it. The first part there, I'm just getting rid of some of the larger rotted pieces. Here you can see me just limbing the rest of it, chopping it up into more manageable chunks, and then delimbing it as I go. Alright, so now that I got most of that big tree cut up, and then I got the bigger pieces there are mostly rotted wood. But other than that, I got 3/4 of the tree, which is fairly good wood, and I gotta clean what I can up, mulch the rest, and it'll eventually start looking like that. Maybe I'll have this whole area cleaned out by the end of the day. So, on top of the hill, I got this area pretty much cleaned out and ready to be drop all the mulch on, or the wood chips I should say. And this is what I gotta clean up next. So all of this is either gonna get stacked up, the big pieces are gonna get tossed away, and all the branches and stuff are gonna get mulched up. So I'm gonna put this on time lapse, and I'm gonna get to work. So it's a good thing I put this on time lapse because this took a lot longer than I was expecting. That being said, the mulcher / wood chipper made quick work of what was there. So I have a small path cleared. I still have all that giant bush still to do. But it is making a nice area of mulched, like wood chips. Oh, and I got some of this area, like that stuff done there. But that's a huge pile. I haven't even started chopping that up. But some of this just won't go through a wood chipper because it's too bent. Or there's too many wires in it. But other than that, I am making good progress. So just a little update. I've taken down the second tree. It displayed signs of being infested with termites, but it was not. Other than that, I got pretty much everything cleared up except for a little bit there at the back. So I got the chipper up here. But yeah, this area is so much more open now. I'm probably gonna take down this last tree. And yeah, that was it for the day 2. And yeah, this thing, thankfully, it has a low oil shutoff. But it took me a good while to figure out that it was a low oil. But I got it running now. It's all topped up. I have to grab gas in the morning for it on my way back. This is a small pile I still got left to do. And other than that, it's a quite clear area now. Not sure what to do with that last stump, or the stumps really. Might cut them right down. Oops, almost dropped the phone. Might just leave them there and turn it into like a raised bed garden. Who knows? We'll see in the future.